See, the sewer line starts out pretty clear, but it is apparent that it has a liner inside by the bluish tint you can see around the pipe. If you look at the top of the pipe, you can actually see the liner is starting to fail here. This is the exact reason why liners are illegal in New York City, and any licensed plumber should advise against them. Liners are a temporary band-aid that will not last. You will find out after a few years down the road that the liner has failed and the entire pipe must be replaced. You now have spent thousands of dollars on a temporary fix and the problem hasn't been resolved. This is why we always advise homeowners to get on a maintenance plan or bite the bullet and replace the entire sewer line with extra heavy cast iron pipe. If you pay attention to the walls of the pipe, you'll see that the liner continues to sag throughout, which ultimately disallows for your sewer to flow naturally on gravity without encountering some form of an obstruction. The liner is now going to serve as a barrier for your sewage flowing on gravity like it should be. Case in point, stay away from sewer liners, as this is a mild case we are showing you and will certainly worsen over time. You can now see the liner ends and we're transitioning into the old clay pipe that has an enormous amount of roots encountering the inside of the pipe. The liner probably couldn't reach this point, and for this reason, the property owner is having continuous backups within their pipe. So again, the property owner should have went on a maintenance plan and got the sewer line to last as long as they could have, or save thousands of dollars and time to excavate and install a brand new extra heavy cast iron pipe.